Hey there, Jim Gavigan, June 10th, 2 minutes on Tuesday. Continuing with the theme of industrial productivity, Matthew Littlefield keeps releasing stuff that's worth talking about. And then I'm going to give you another person that you guys really should follow if you work in this space. Thanks, Adam Napolitano, for telling me about him. But anyway, the thing that I think is kind of interesting here, is Mr. Littlefield basically is talking about haves, have nots when it comes to productivity. And what is interesting, and let me just come down here and then I'll zoom in, right, is he's saying that Pathfinders are growing in productivity and everybody else isn't. And so, it's kind of interesting, it's not interesting that that's happening, but what I'm really curious about and what I want people to comment on this week is, what is a pathfinder? What defines a pathfinder? How do we get to know who these companies are, right? And I can tell you what they're not, and this kind of leads me to Michael Carroll's post. And this is another guy, great guy worth following, so I absolutely recommend everybody give him a follow. So, basically what he's saying is this whole approval by committee and some of these companies that are really slow to get capital projects and other things approved, they're definitely not pathfinders, right? Because your competition is racing ahead of you because you're not making decisions. You're afraid to make a decision. And so to me, those are some things that I would look for in who's not a pathfinder, but I really want to know what you guys think of who is a pathfinder and what defines that. So let me know.